Do you know deep inside that you are capable of more, much more than what you're currently experiencing? Welcome back to You², me reading the book You² by Pritchett. And this chapter is powerful. And I invite you, take the words in, be inspired by it, get the content. More important though, listen inside yourself for what this sparks, what ideas, what it mobilizes inside you, and then do something with that. Chapter, look inside for the opportunity. Just do it. Make the quantum leap. Everything else that's needed right now comes from inside you. The opportunity, the timing, the power to perform, these are in you, not in the situation. The formula for You², the strategy for making the quantum leap, has been covered here. You have those answers. The answers to questions that remain must come from the voice within. Now you must listen to yourself. Those are the sounds no one else can hear. Your dreams, your desires, the thoughts that burn the hottest in your mind, they carry the messages that you find your own magnetic north. They point the way toward the breakthrough to You². Look inside at what pulls at your consciousness, for there you'll find direction. Everything else is in position, waiting for you. Just do it. Make the quantum leap. Thank you for taking this You² Quantum Leap journey with me. Again, it's a magnificent book. You are magnificent. I love you. See you soon. Aloha.